Very heavy rain along Clementi Road as we head to Pasir Panjang, and look what happens when a car go wow! Yeah. Quite scary, you know. Water just blocked your view for like 1 second. Now on slow motion, imagine if you were a motorbike in the center lane like I was, and the car zooms past you with that kind of water splashing on your face. Highly dangerous, I thought. I mean, I was like holding the car steady for 1.5, 2 seconds, not knowing whether I'm gonna hit the guy in front. I didn't jam brake because I didn't want the car behind to hit me. Yeah, drive safely, man. The rain is quite bad these days. Take care, bye.